So I guess as far as the installing of the solar is concerned, there's a lot of companies out there that don't install solar. So they just sell the solar. So you don't know who the installer is. Maybe they just go to the cheapest installer. So once again, you're getting an inferior installation. There's a lot of cyclone fixings that you have to make sure that gets done. You have to make sure there's a lot of waterproofing that gets done. You don't want water getting to isolators and causing fires. So there's a lot of little steps that we have to cover to ensure that you're going to get a long life for your system and you're going to have no issues, no downtime, produce more power and get a better return on investment over a long period. It's not about getting in and installing it as quickly as possible. So we don't care where the system gets installed, we just want to make sure it's in the right spot that's going to produce the most power over a long period. So we're not from out of town, we're not going to come in, slap it up right next to the switchboard just because we know we can save an hour or two. We take a lot of pride in how much power our systems produce, and we want our systems producing more than anyone else. We've just implemented ISO accreditation just this year, and that comes back to safety as well. We just need to make sure we eliminate all risks out there. And I guess people know that we are electricians, we're licensed electricians, we're licensed installers, we're not just a sales company. So we do all our installs, we don't contract anything else. So if there's an issue, you come to us, we solve everything. It's making sure you do pick the right installer. You want someone that cares about that installation. That way it's installed properly, it's to the CEC requirements, and you don't have any issues.